Welcome for another FEMITECH video tutorial. For today's video I will be looking at 10 health benefits of carrot. How do carrots work? In 900 AD, Afghanistan was where carrots, a type of root vegetable, were first cultivated. Although orange may be their most well-known color, they also appear in purple, yellow, red, and white. Early carrots were either yellow or purple. By the 15th or 16th century, Central Europe saw the development of orange carrots. Depending on the color, size, and region of cultivation, this well-liked and adaptable vegetable may have a somewhat distinct flavor. Carrots have a slightly sweet flavor from the sugar in them, but they can also have an earthy or bitter flavor. Benefits of carrot. 1. The first carrot health benefit is that they are healthy for your eyes. The most well-known carrot superpower is undoubtedly this one. Strawberries include a lot of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A to support the health of your eyes. 2. They can reduce your risk of developing cancer. It has been demonstrated that antioxidants help your body fight off dangerous free radicals, which may reduce your risk of developing cancer. Carotenoids and anthocyanins are the two main categories of antioxidants found in carrots. While anthocyanins are in charge of the red and purple coloring of carrots, carotenoids are what give them their orange and yellow hues. 3. They support your heart too. First off, every one of those antioxidants is beneficial for your heart. Second, carrots' potassium content can support healthy blood pressure levels. Thirdly, they contain fiber, which can assist you in maintaining a healthy weight and reducing your risk of developing heart disease. Lycopene, which helps prevent heart disease, is also present in red carrots. 4. Your immune system is strengthened. Carrots include vitamin C, which helps your body create antibodies to protect your immune system. Moreover, vitamin C helps your body absorb and utilize iron while warding off infections. 5. They can aid with constipation relief. Eat some raw carrots if you're having problems going to the restroom. Due to their high fiber content, they can aid in maintaining regularity and easing constipation. 6. They can aid with diabetic management. Carrots are among the non-starchy vegetables that people with diabetes are advised to eat in large quantities. Carrots' fiber content can aid in regulating blood sugar levels. Moreover, they are abundant in beta-carotene and vitamin A, both of which have been linked to a decreased incidence of diabetes. 7. They can make your bones stronger. Both calcium and vitamin K, which are found in carrots, are crucial for healthy bones. 8. May promote heart health and cholesterol balance. Vitamin C and fiber content in carrots contribute to their heart protective qualities. Moreover, carrots seem to assist in modifying cholesterol absorption, which may enhance cholesterol homeostasis. Before a heart benefit can be proven, more human trials are required as a large portion of this evidence comes from animal studies. 9. May support efforts to lose weight. Research indicates that consuming veggies like carrots, which are low in calories and an excellent source of fiber, will help you feel fuller and more satisfied. However, some diets for losing weight, such as the very low-carb diet programs, suggest avoiding carrots since they contain more simple carbohydrates. This method disregards the additional health advantages of carrots as well as the fact that, when eaten whole, carrots' structure, fiber, and high water content help reduce appetite. Its inherent sweetness might also help people cut back on other sugars in their diet. 10. May support gut health. A study in young women who ate sufficient carrots to supply 15 g of fiber per day over a 3-week period reported that the fiber was highly fermentable. Further, studies confirm the vegetable has a prebiotic role, which means carrot fiber is a good source of fuel for the beneficial bacteria that reside in the gut. Many of these gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids which have benefits not only for the gut but for our wider health too.